sales is a science. If you break down sales, what is sales is really a journey of decision making, which is based on neuroscience. It's how we make decisions. It's how you make decisions. It's how all our customers make decisions. It is made of simple steps that we can take. And that's why my tagline now is making sales simple. That's the objective here. How can we make it simple and make it fun? I'm Priya Sachdev. I am the founder and sales practitioner at Sales Scalability. I've been in sales for 30 plus years now, of which 20 years in sales consulting and strategy. For the past couple of years, while I was still in India and during the COVID time, I realized that I was doing more and more projects with North American organizations. It felt like I was too far away, sitting there trying to work here, and I had an opportunity where I could move. It gives me a big advantage to work with my clients in North America because I'm in the time zone, I understand this market, I'm working in this market right now. Business owners and sales leaders work with us because they don't feel confident of their sales forecast. How do we get better conversion ratio? How do we increase the wallet share with our existing customers and reduce the churn? We work with organizations across the spectrum, from small business owners or mid to large enterprises. Every organization requires a unique strategy on what they need delivered through their sales enablement roadmap. When people start to picture consulting, specifically in B2B sales, what comes to their mind is consultants in black and gray suits. And this is where I like to shake it up a little. So typically when people think about working with consultants, they are thinking about some consultants will come in, they'll hear our language, they'll take the words from us and put them in a fancy, nice looking report, give it to us and leave. And I often say this to clients I work with, that's when my work begins. We can pick up that report that you have. We can pick up your strategic intent and move it to execution by being your partner in execution. And the advantage we have is done this before, sweated it out on the streets, have lived the life of a seller, of a sales manager, of a sales leader, and of a business owner. I have spoken and engaged with 1,200 to 1,500 businesses and sales leaders, of which I have worked on active projects with over 350, so I know what I'm talking about. So if you're a business owner or a sales leader with a large enterprise and you want to feel confident of your sales forecast, connect with me on LinkedIn or just go to the website and fill up the contact form and let's have a virtual coffee together.